Another day, another story. The Secrets of Millionaire Mindset, Unlocking the Path to Financial Abundance. In this video, we'll dive into the mindset and strategies that can help you achieve financial abundance and live the life of your dreams. I'm Tom, your guide to unlocking the secrets of the millionaire mindset. Have you ever wondered what sets millionaires apart from the rest of us? It's not just luck or inheritance, it's their mindset. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets of the millionaire mindset and how you can adopt these principles to transform your relationship with money and unlock a future of financial abundance. Shifting your money mindset. The first step in achieving financial abundance is shifting your money mindset. We'll explore common limiting beliefs around money and replace them with empowering beliefs that attract wealth and abundance. Learn how to overcome scarcity thinking and cultivate a mindset of abundance and prosperity. Setting clear financial goals. Millionaires are goal-oriented individuals. We'll guide you through the process of setting clear financial goals and creating a roadmap for success. Discover how to define your desired lifestyle, set achievable targets, and develop a plan to turn your dreams into reality. Creating multiple streams of income. Millionaires understand the importance of diversifying their income. We'll discuss strategies for creating multiple streams of income, such as investments, entrepreneurship, side hustles, and passive income. Learn how to leverage your skills and resources to generate wealth from various sources. Building a strong financial foundation. A solid financial foundation is crucial for long-term wealth creation. We'll explore the key components of a strong financial foundation, including budgeting, saving, and debt management. Discover how to optimize your finances and create a stable base for future growth and prosperity. Embracing a growth mindset. Millionaires have a growth mindset that drives them to continually learn and improve. We'll discuss the importance of personal development, expanding your knowledge, and embracing lifelong learning. Discover how adopting a growth mindset can open doors to new opportunities and accelerate your path to wealth. Taking calculated risks. Successful millionaires are not afraid to take calculated risks. We'll delve into the mindset required to identify and evaluate opportunities, overcome fear, and take strategic risks that can lead to significant financial rewards. Learn how to assess risks, mitigate potential downsides, and embrace opportunities for growth. Building a network of success. Your network plays a crucial role in your journey to financial abundance. We'll discuss the importance of surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, mentors, and advisors who can support and inspire you. Discover how to build a network of success and leverage the power of collaboration and connection. Congratulations! You now have the secrets of the millionaire mindset that can unlock the path to financial abundance. Remember, adopting a millionaire mindset is a journey that requires commitment, perseverance, and continuous growth. Start implementing these principles today and watch as your financial abundance unfolds. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who are eager to transform their mindset and achieve financial abundance. Together, we can create a community of individuals embracing the millionaire mindset and unlocking a world of financial freedom. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Thanks for watching.